As an AI language model, I am unable to attend interviews as it goes beyond my functionality. However, let me provide some insights on data engineering interview. To prepare for a data engineering interview, candidates can expect questions related to data modeling and database design, understanding of database management systems, ability to design and implement database schemas, knowledge of SQL, and experience with data modeling tools. Data pipelines and ETL. Familiarity with data pipelines and ETL, extract, transform, load, processes and tools such as Apache Airflow and Apache Kafka. Data warehousing. Knowledge of data warehousing concepts, designing and building data warehouses, as well as experience with ETL tools such as Talend, Informatica, and custom-built pipelines. Cloud computing and big data technologies. Understanding of cloud computing platforms, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Familiarity with big data technologies, such as Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases, which are commonly used in data engineering. Data security and privacy. Knowledge of data security and privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Understanding of encryption technologies for data protection, and experience with data governance best practices. Candidates can also expect a coding challenge, where the interviewer will evaluate their coding skills with respect to data engineering. To prepare for this, candidates should be familiar with a programming language such as Python or Java, and be able to write clean, efficient code for data processing, manipulation, and analytics. Overall, the key to succeeding in a data engineering interview is to have a strong foundation in data modeling, database design, ETL processes, and big data technologies, as well as excellent coding and problem-solving skills.